Today is the day of the draw of the rubber magnets. Two of these rolls. I made a small list, but it's a bit confusing because I did not mention clearly that you have to say you want one of these, which to me was, well, obvious, but maybe to others it's not. So I made a list with the people that said I would like to enter the draw. There was also some people that said, well, I'm having so much projects, I'm never gonna finish any more projects anyway, so I don't need it. So it's a bit unclear. So far, the people that said I want, I really want these kind of magnets or want to enter the draw is like 9, not 1, 9. So I am gonna use the random number generator on the 9 persons. Maybe there is another person that said, hey, I wanted to enter as well, but it was not clear, and well, we can fix that. I'll draw a name out of my list. Everyone has a number, and then you have to contact me. Because I cannot contact you and you cannot contact me through YouTube, that's not possible as far as I know. So you can send a email to info@rhinex.com. I'll put the link in the image and in the... I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in the description because I'm pretty sure the email will be abused. So watch the video. If you're not watching the whole video, you might miss out on the magnets. And then, we arrange shipment. And yeah, and the persons that do wanted the magnet but did not make it clear, I'm pretty sure we can work something out. I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on giving stuff away. I also have something for sale because otherwise I have to rip it apart because it's standing in the way and I want to reclaim the magnet. So I'll grab one. The poor ribbon. It needs a few supports, as you can see. It's wibbly wobbly, you see? 2 of these, they were really a test. I want to make a long ribbon. This is 1 meter and 30 centimeters, 20 millimeters wide. Use a double row of magnets and steel. They're not a beauty and I would not use it like this. I just wanted to see what it did. And if you are living in the Netherlands and you are able to do something with it instead of me ripping out the magnets, please contact me at the same email address, info@rhinex.com. Of course, there are 2. This is the good one. One fell over and has a dent. So let's check that out. These are the 2. And one of them, here, this one, fell over one. So this is broken. And there's a dent here. But they play and they are 5.6 ohm and very inefficient, so keep that in mind. You might need to have a DSP to be able to use something this inefficient. But if you could use it, would be nice. If it's not sold before the end of the week, like Sunday or Monday, I will strip them, I guess. It feels a bit of a waste, but there's so much shit in my room. As you can see, there's a mattress there still standing. Since I got 2 and I'm not sure which one I want to keep. One is harder than the other. And a lot of other crap, Random loudspeakers, bass panels. These 2, but these are probably or maybe sold already. If not, they will come back. Matter of fact, I will play a tune with these because, well, only talking is boring. These CBTs I might keep for a while. And also, I want to get rid of that NAD. Not gonna call a price on this. It's the NAD C162 preamplifier. It's a pretty nice preamplifier with the original remote. The only downside is that tone control does not work. I don't care, I do not use tone control, but still. I don't need a preamplifier anymore, so Yeah. Oh, the bass panels there, they will also go. They are not tested in for a long time, so I'm not sure how perfect they are. They need at least dampening. But anyhow, these can go for 200, and that's like 70 euros more than it costs in materials, at least the magnet and steel. So you pay a little bit for work, but I would say not much. You can make it yourself if you want and spend a lot of time. Yeah, and same for those. It's purely material price, and I do not like to throw things away. But then again, it looks like I don't know, I'm a hoarder, so that's not good. Yeah. So amplifier, 2 ribbons, 2 bass panels that I did not test, so that's a gamble. And if you're interested in art, I have a gazillion pieces left that I must sell as well. Not my art, to be fair, but it has to go because my house is only that big and it was standing everywhere. Anyhow, let's go to the drawing of the numbers, and maybe after we can play a tune. We're behind my computer right now. Go away. And these are the only persons that said I would like to have a magnet roll. Although Janos, if it's the Janos I know, I'm not sure if that is really a thing. But well, he said he wanted one, so we'll random generate a number and then we'll see. So here goes the first one. 6, which is XOF DIY speakers French. I'll put that aside. That's the first one. Next one, 5. I'm not able to pronounce that. That's the second. So both of you, please contact me on the following email address, which is, I'll put it in the overlay. That's the one. And we'll discuss where it has to go and what that will cost. If it's in Europe, I'll pay the shipment. It's not a fast shipment method, and if you're outside, we have to arrange something, but I'm sure we'll manage to figure something out. And well, to everyone, thank you for following, and hopefully you enjoyed the crap I do. I know some videos are boring as shit, and some are pretty decent. Anyhow, yeah, I'll play a tune with the speakers that might be sold but might not be after this. But at least we have 2 winners, and please contact me before Monday. If not, I'll draw another number out of this 9. So who knows?